Well, bless my soul. Who is this?
It is I, your Uncle Scrooge. Will you let me in, friend?
There's a place in my heart where you're always home to me.
Sally.
We're so very thankful you've come.